What is the Mool Mantra of Ma Durga? The Mool Mantra of Ma Durga is Om Dam Durgaye Namah. This mantra is considered extremely important in the worship and prayer of Ma Durga. This mantra is chanted to attain power, protection, and prosperity. Through this mantra, devotees express their desire to receive the grace and blessings of Ma Durga. Importance of Ma Durga. Ma Durga is a major goddess of Hinduism who is considered a symbol of strength, courage, and peace. Durga's name comes from Durg, which means fort or palace, and Durga means who destroys even the fort. Ma Durga is in the form of the ultimate power, and she protects her devotees from all kinds of enemies and troubles. She is worshipped as Durga not only as Mahishasura Mardini, goddess who killed Mahishasura, but is also recognized for the protection and blessings she provides in the entire universe. Main mantras of Durga Puja. There are many mantras of Ma Durga. Some of the major mantras are as follows. Om Dan Durgaye Namah. This mantra is especially popular for seeking refuge in Ma Durga. Dam is pronounced as a symbol of power and protection. Om Jayanti Mangal Kali Bhadrakali Kapalini Durga Kshama Shiva Dhatri Swaha Swadheshwari. This mantra includes various forms of Goddess Durga, describing the glory of her forms. This mantra is considered extremely effective for liberation from terrible troubles. Durga Saptashti Mantra. One of the important mantras of Ma Durga is Durga Saptashti. This mantra is effective for destroying enemies, attaining mental peace and attaining happiness and prosperity in life. Meaning of Om Dan Durgaye Namah. This mantra is very simple but extremely powerful. It begins with the word Om, which symbolizes the origin of the universe and the energy of Brahma. The word Dam invokes the power of Goddess Durga, who has the ability to deal with all the troubles and evils of the world. The word Durgaye refers to the feminine form of Durga, and Namah means to bow with reverence and devotion. By chanting this mantra, a person becomes mentally strong and free from any kind of crisis. Effect of the mantra. This mantra of Ma Durga helps in destroying every kind of crisis in a person's life and guides him towards prosperity. This mantra also awakens the feeling of mental peace, self-confidence, and devotion. When a person chants this mantra regularly, he experiences energy and power in his life. This mantra provides protection to a person at the mental, physical and spiritual level. Puja Vidhi. First of all, clean the place of worship and place a picture or idol of Goddess Durga there. Light lamp and then worship it with flowers. Pray for peace by lighting incense sticks or agrabatti. Chant the mantra Om Dan Durgaye Namah 108 times. Keep sense of peace and dedication in mind while chanting. Later, pray for blessings from Goddess Durga and thank her. Special significance of mantra during Durga Puja. During Durga Puja, especially on the occasion of Navratri, chanting this mantra is considered highly fruitful. This mantra is chanted 108 or 1008 times by devotees during Navratri. It is considered a symbol of power, which eliminates evil and ensures the victory of good and truth. Mental peace and self-confidence. The mantra of Om Dan Durgaye Namah is highly effective for providing mental peace and self-confidence. Regular chanting of this mantra inspires a person towards positivity. It is especially beneficial for those who are struggling with mental stress, fear, and anxiety. With this mantra of Durga Ma, a person gets strength and courage, which enables him to face any difficult situation. Attainment of victory. By chanting this mantra, a person gets victory in life. This victory helps in achieving success, peace, and prosperity in personal and social life. It strengthens the person mentally, so that he is able to face his challenges and is able to do good work in his life. Om Dam Durgaya Namah is a powerful and effective mantra, which can make life beautiful, peaceful and prosperous with the blessings of Ma Durga. By chanting it regularly, a person not only gets mental peace, but he gets relief from all kinds of difficulties and positive changes come in his life. This mantra is a symbol of strength, courage, and confidence, which inspires a person to face the challenges of life. Om. It is a symbol of the origin of the universe and the entire creation. Dam. It signifies the power of Goddess Durga, who is capable of destroying any kind of trouble and obstacles. Durgaye. It expresses devotion and reverence towards Goddess Durga. Namah. It means salutation or surrender. Chanting this mantra is a testimony of reverence and surrender to the power of Ma Durga, and can be effectively used to get rid of any kind of distress, physical or mental illness, enmity, and other problems. You have understood it right. Every part of this mantra has deep meaning and power. Let us understand it in more detail. It is one of the most sacred and powerful sounds of the Vedas and Sanskrit. What message does Durga Puja give us? Message of Durga Puja. Durga Puja is an important festival of Indian culture which is especially celebrated in Hinduism. This puja is known as a symbol of power, devotion, and victory. Celebrated every year from Shukla Pratipda to Dashmi of Ashwin month, the purpose of this puja is not only to worship Goddess Durga, but it is a means to understand various aspects of life and apply it in our lives. Through this festival, we get many important messages, which empower our lives and inspire us towards progress. Victory of good over evil. The most important message of Durga Puja is that good always triumphs over evil. The form of Goddess Durga is a symbol of power and destruction. By killing demon like Mahishasura, she proved that no matter how powerful the evil is, it has to accept defeat in front of good. This message inspires us to combat every kind of negativity in our life, such as fear, anxiety, pride and other evils. Importance of strength and courage. Durga Puja makes us realize our inner strength and courage. The form of Goddess Durga not only symbolizes strength, but she also tells us that there is an invisible power within every person, which needs to be awakened at the right time. This puja teaches us that we should face our problems with courage and confidence. Teen spiritual advancement. Another important message of Durga Puja is that spiritual advancement is the highest goal of life. Through worship and sadhana, we can recognize our spiritual form. In this puja, we try to understand the true nature of our soul and get mental peace by devotion to God. Power of positivity and faith. Durga Puja also teaches that only our faith and positive thinking can overcome the difficulties of life. Only by having devotion and faith towards Goddess Durga, we get mental strength to deal with every crisis in life. Chanting mantras and puja vidhi during the puja not only gives us spiritual peace, but also gives us positivity and faith in life. Equality and collectivity. Durga Puja is a collective festival in which people from all sections of society worship together. It gives us the message that everyone in society should be seen equally and respected. In organizing the puja, people from all classes, castes and religions work together for the same purpose, which is a symbol of collectivity and equality. It teaches us that peace and prosperity can be achieved in any society only through mutual cooperation and love. Struggle and victory after struggle. The form of goddess Durga is not only that of divine power, but she is also symbol of struggle. She is a goddess who fought many demons and finally won. This message gives us that every person has to face some kind of struggle in life, but if we try in the right direction, in the right way, then we can overcome our struggles and achieve victory. Importance of family and society. Every member of the family and society participates in Durga Puja. This puja gives us the message that the role of every member of the family and society is important. If we work together with each other, we can achieve great success. The spirit of unity, cooperation and brotherhood is developed through this puja, which are important parts of our life. Balance and restraint. Another important message of Durga Puja is that it is important to maintain balance and restraint in life. The form of goddess Durga is a symbol of restraint, patience and balance. She teaches us that every person in life should complete her tasks with self-reliance and restraint. Excessive anger, pride, and chasing desires can make us lose balance. Respect for women power. Through Durga Puja, we understand the glory of women power. The form of goddess Durga is a symbol of women power, which gives life to the world and is always ready to face crisis. Through this puja, the power and respect of women in the society is promoted, and it helps us to understand that women should also get equal opportunities and respect. Importance of time. Timing is of great importance during Durga Puja celebrations. Timing the puja, performing the puja on time, and maintaining punctuality inculcate discipline and responsibility in our lives. It teaches us that we should make proper use of time in our lives and complete every task on time. Unity in diversity. Durga Puja is a symbol of the diversity of India. It is celebrated in different ways in different provinces and cultures, but the purpose is the same: worship and honor Goddess Durga. It gives us the message that our cultural diversities may make us different, but we all have the same purpose: the well-being of society and the country. Spiritual and mental peace. Another important aspect of Durga Puja is achieving mental and spiritual peace. Through puja, we purify our mind and thoughts, which gives us inner peace. Worshipping Goddess Durga makes us realize that by being spiritually empowered, we can face the hardships of life and achieve mental peace. Durga Puja. Victory of good over evil. The main message of Durga Puja is that good ultimately triumphs over evil. Ma Durga's victory over the demon Mahishasura shows that if we follow the path of truth and dharma, no evil power can destroy us. Spiritual awareness. Through Durga Puja we get the message to work towards self-improvement and self-awareness. By worshipping Ma Durga, we can remove the darkness within us and purify the soul. Respect for power. This puja is not only the worship of physical but also mental and spiritual power. It gives us the message to recognize and respect the power within us. Positivity and courage. Durga Puja teaches us the importance of courage and positive thinking. We should never give up in the face of difficult situations. Importance of karma. The form of Ma Durga reflects hard work and purposeful life. It teaches us that in life we should perform our duties with full devotion and honesty. Why does Durga wear sindoor? Introduction. Goddess Durga holds immense importance in Hinduism. She is the symbol of strength, courage, protection, and dharma. The worship of each goddess and her symbols have a deep cultural and spiritual meaning. Durga's sindoor is especially considered a symbol of her power, good luck, and peace. But why does Goddess Durga wear sindoor is a question that arises in the minds of many devotees. In this article, we will shed light on its various aspects, so that we can understand the significance of sindoor and why it is associated with Durga Ji. Cultural significance of sindoor. In Sindhi culture, sindoor is used especially by married women to wish for a long life of their husbands. It is a traditional symbol that is sign of marriage and prosperity. The color of sindoor is also a special sign that the woman takes care of her family and enhances its good fortune. In this sense, when goddess Durga applies sindoor, it is a symbol for her devotees that she takes care of the happiness, prosperity and protection of the family with her blessings. Goddess Durga and symbol of power. Durga Ji is considered to be the goddess of power. She came to protect the world from every evil power. Sindoor is also symbol of power, and goddess Durga applying sindoor indicates that she destroys all the negativity of the world through her powers. When Durga Ji applies sindoor, it reveals her strength and protective power. The red color of sindoor is considered to be symbol of blood, power, and energy. Goddess Durga applying sindoor indicates that her blood is also source of power, which makes her victorious in every situation. It symbolizes her divine form and her holy actions. Durga Ji's sindoor and husband-wife relationship. In Hindu culture, sindoor is considered to be symbol of protection of the wife and happiness and prosperity of the husband. A wife applies sindoor wishing for long life of her husband. It is a symbol of dedication and love towards the husband. In this sense, when goddess Durga applies sindoor, it symbolizes her love and dedication towards the entire creation and her devotees. Her use of sindoor shows that she is ready to protect her devotees and bring good luck in their lives. Spiritual and religious significance. Sindoor has a deep spiritual significance in Hinduism. It is considered a symbol of strength, peace, and inner balance. The religious meaning of goddess Durga applying sindoor is that it brings prosperity, happiness, and peace in the lives of her devotees. It is believed that Durga Ji removes all the negative energy from the lives of her devotees and blesses them. Applying sindoor is also associated with a religious act that expresses faith and devotion. It is a form of sadhana that serves to purify the mind and soul of the devotees. Symbol of power and good fortune. In Sindhi culture, especially in Indian families, sindoor is considered a symbol of good fortune and fertility. When goddess Durga wears sindoor, it presents her as an ideal for the family and society. Her wearing of sindoor sends the message that she is not only a goddess of power, but she also paves the way for good fortune and advancement for her devotees. From this perspective, the use of sindoor serves to attract not just external beauty, but a divine and spiritual good fortune. Goddess Durga and her symbols. Goddess Durga is worshipped especially in her various forms. She also appears as Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, and Mahasaraswati. Sindoor is used in these forms as a symbol of her power. There are some characteristics associated with the sindoor of goddess Durga, such as her appearance is always pure and powerful, which gives a positive energy to her devotees. The red color of sindoor also signifies that goddess Durga is not only religiously pure, but she is also capable of bringing positive changes in the lives of her devotees. Thus, sindoor is a sign of divine power and blessing. Significance of Durga Puja and sindoor. The importance of sindoor increases even more during Durga Puja. In particular, the tradition of Sindoor Khela or Sindoor Dal is celebrated with great pomp in Bengal and other regions. On this day, women worship each other by applying sindoor, which is an integral part of the worship of goddess Durga. It is considered a way to receive the blessings of the goddess of good luck, prosperity and power. The meaning of applying sindoor to Durga Ji is associated with religious and cultural beliefs. It is an important symbol, which is considered a symbol of power, good luck and fertility. Good luck and long life of husband. Sindoor is mainly used by married women to wish for long life of their husband. The application of sindoor by goddess Durga symbolizes that she blesses her devotees and brings good luck in their lives. Symbol of power. Durga Ji is worshipped as a symbol of power and glory. Sindoor symbolizes her power, which she offers to protect her devotees. Spiritual significance. According to some beliefs, sindoor is considered to be the spiritual mark of the goddess, which reflects divine energy and power. Which shlokas are most loved for Ma Durga? There are many shlokas for Ma Durga, which describe her various forms and glories. She is invoked, praised and worshipped in these shlokas, which infuse strength, devotion and inspiration in the minds of devotees. Some shlokas are related to particular forms of Ma Durga, such as Goddess Durga, Kali, Saraswati, or Bhavani. Here we will describe some of the famous and loved shlokas, which are considered dear to Ma Durga. Durga Saptashti, praise of Ma Durga. Durga Saptashti, or Devi Mahatmyam, is an important text in which Ma Durga has been praised. It is especially worshipped during Navratri. Its shlokas describe various forms of Ma Durga and show her fighting various demons, protecting the world. Reading or listening to the shlokas of this text brings the blessings of the goddess. Shloka from Durga Saptashti. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Matrurupan Samsthit. Namastasya 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 Namo Namah. Meaning, we bow to the goddess who is situated as the mother in all beings. Ma Durga Aarti. Ma Durga Aarti is sung especially during Navratri and Durga Puja. This Aarti invokes all her forms and encourages devotees to receive her blessings. Shloka, Aarti. Jai Durga Mahadurga, Bhavani Jai Jai Bhavani. Everything exists by your power. You are the only Bhavani in the world. Meaning, Hail Mahadurga, Hail Bhavani. This entire world exists by your power. You are the caretaker of all. Navratri verses of Ma Durga. During Navratri, a particular shloka is chanted which worships the 9 forms of Ma Durga. This verse is also very effective to get mother's blessings. Worth. Om Devi Durgaya Namah. Om Durga Prade Jaita, Vidyate Dharmapti Sada. Dharanya Bhavani Sarve, Bhavtu Rakshan Samridhaye. In other words, Om Devi Durgai Namah, O Goddess Durga, I bow to you. O Goddess, you are always a virtuous wife, who protects prosperity. Durga Kavach. Durga Kavach is a special mantra which is chanted to bring the power of Ma Durga to life and protect from evil forces. It is a symbol of surrendered affection and protection. Shloka from Durga Kavach. Om Halim Durgai Namah. Seek all good wishes from all the devotees of Shiva. Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. In other words, Om Halim Durgai Namah, I bow to Mother Durga. You are the provider of all kinds of auspiciousness and happiness. We consider you as our devoted devotee. Shlokas of Ma Kali. Mother Kali is also worshipped as Goddess Durga. Her appearance is frightening, but she is a symbol of devotion and surrendered love. By taking refuge in him, fear and sorrow end. Worth. Om Kleem Kalikaya Namah. Kalratri Mahakrira Crematorium Resident. Sarvashatru Nibandhini Kalika Matram Namah. In other words, Om Kleem Kalikaya Namah, we bow to Kalika Mata, who resides in the crematorium, and who destroys all our enemies. Shlokas of Ma Saraswati. Ma Saraswati, who is considered the goddess of knowledge and art, is worshipped as a form of Ma Durga. He symbolizes devotion and knowledge, and his verses pray for success in education, art and music. Worth. Om Aim Saraswatyai Namah. यह स्तुति साध्यम भगवती विद्या यस्मीन में स्वाधीनम च नमः सरस्वती है. In other words, Om Aim Saraswatyai Namah, we bow to Goddess Saraswati, who is the goddess of knowledge and learning. Mother Durga is invoked, praised and worshipped in her favorite verses. Reading or listening to these verses gives mental peace, strength, prosperity and security to the devotees. Durga Sapachti, Aarti of Ma Durga, Durga Kavach, verses of Kali and Saraswati are considered extremely effective and beneficial for the surrendered devotees. Chanting these verses brings positive energy in the lives of devotees and opens the way to receive the blessings of Goddess Durga. Many verses and mantras are famous for Ma Durga, which are chanted by devotees to get her blessings on Navratri and other occasions. Here are some of the major verses that are considered dear to Ma Durga. Shloka of Durga Saptashti, Saptashti Mantra. Om Dam Durgaya Namah. This verse is chanted to give mental and physical peace to Ma Durga. Durga Stuti, Chandi Stotra. O Durga, you are seated on the throne of a lion and dear to Hari and Vishnu you carry Lord Shiva with banners and weapons. This verse describes the glory of Ma Durga and her power form. Dasha Shloki Durga Stotra of Ma Durga. O auspicious, 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 fulfiller of all purposes, refuge of all, O Trimbek, O Gauri, O Narayani, I offer my obeisances unto thee. This verse is done for the grace of Ma Durga. Nav Durga Stotra. Om Maha Durge, Mahashakte, Mahaprabhe, Mahadvi, Mahatmani, Mahavire, Mahadevi, Mahakriya. This verse is especially sung during Navratri in the worship of Ma Durga. By chanting these verses and mantras, one gets the grace of Ma Durga and experiences prosperity, peace and security in life. What is the Mahamantra of Ma Durga? The Mahamantra of Ma Durga and the glory of her various forms are extremely important in Indian culture. These Mahamantra not only pave the way for spiritual advancement, but also infuse sense of strength, courage, and security in the life of every devotee. The mantra, Om Dam Durgaye Namah, is especially famous in the worship of Ma Durga, which, if chanted methodically and with devotion, gives relief to devotees from all kinds of troubles. This article is based in detail on the Mahamantra of Ma Durga, her importance, and the method of her worship. Through this we will know how chanting this Mahamantra can bring positive changes in our lives. Introduction to Ma Durga. Ma Durga is the great goddess of Hinduism, who is known as the incarnation of Shakti, power, and power. She is also revered as the wife of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. The stature and place of Ma Durga is very high in Hinduism. She is the goddess of war and the symbol of good, who destroys evil and demons. Ma Durga has 9 forms, which are known as Navdurga. These include Kali, Kumari, Brahmari, Chandraghanta, Skandamata, Katyayani, Kalratri, Mahagauri, and Siddhidatri. Mahamantra of Ma Durga. The most famous and important mantra of Ma Durga is Om Dam Durgaye Namah. This mantra worships the various forms of Ma Durga and invokes her power. The following words have significance in it. Om, This syllable is the supreme and universal form of Brahma, the Adi Shakti of the universe. Pronouncing Ov brings peace and concentration to the mind. This syllable is taken first in every kind of worship. Dam, do, this syllable symbolizes the power of Ma Durga. By pronouncing the word Dam, the power and energy of Goddess Durga is awakened, which helps in protecting from troubles and evil. Durgaya, Durgaya, this word expresses our devotion and dedication towards Ma Durga. Durgaya means the one who saves us from troubles. She removes every pain from our life. Namah, Namah, Namah means salutation, respect and dedication. This word expresses our devotion when we express our humility and reverence towards Ma Durga. Effect of Ma Durga Mantra. Regular chanting of Ma Durga's Mahamantra, Om Dam Durgaya Namah, calms the mental state of a person and brings happiness and peace in his life. This mantra especially has the following effects. Removal of sufferings. This mantra is helpful in getting rid of any kind of crisis or sorrow in life. The person who chants this mantra regularly, the troubles in his life end and he overcomes every kind of crisis. Increase in strength and courage. This mantra of Ma Durga provides mental, physical, and spiritual strength to the person. Through this, the devotee is filled with confidence and courage, which enables him to face the challenges of life. Freedom from diseases. This mantra helps in improving physical and mental health. Chanting it relieves mental stress, anxiety, and physical diseases. Safety and protection. This mantra of Ma Durga protects the person and protects him from all kinds of ghosts, evil powers, and enemies. Ma Durga Puja Vidhi. The worship of Ma Durga is a sacred and methodical process. Mantras have special significance in the worship of Ma Durga, and by pronouncing and chanting those mantras correctly, the devotee gets mental peace and blessings of the Goddess Mother. General method of puja. Bathing and purification. It is important to purify yourself by taking good bath before the puja. Installation of Ma Durga idol or picture. Place the idol or picture of Ma Durga at the place of worship and decorate them clean and beautifully. Lighting of lamps and incense sticks. Purify the environment by lighting lamps and incense sticks. This brings positive energy. Chanting mantra. Now, chant the mantra Om Dam Durgaye Namah 108 times. You can also do it with rosary, so that your mind can concentrate. Offering prasad. After the puja, offer fruits, flowers, and sweets to the goddess. Prayers and offerings. Finally, pray to the goddess to receive blessings and offer all your wishes. Navdurga and other mantras of Ma Durga. Ma Durga has many forms, and each form has a specific mantra associated with it. These mantras solve all kinds of problems in the lives of devotees. Following are some of the major mantras. Om Jayanti Mangalam Kali Bhadrakali Kapalini. Durga Shiva Kashma Kantarmani Maheshwari. Om Kleem Durgaye Namah. This mantra is chanted to please the various forms of Goddess Durga and to receive her blessings. Om Devi Durgaye Namah. This is also a common mantra, which is mainly used in Durga Puja. And Ma Durga's Mahamantra, Om Dam Durgaye Namah, and other mantras are highly effective in bringing power, happiness, and prosperity in the lives of devotees. Chanting this mantra increases mental peace and confidence as well as protects a person from various crises in life. If a person needs mental peace, protection, and prosperity, then regular chanting of this mantra can be highly beneficial. With the blessings of Ma Durga, you can experience all kinds of prosperity and power in life.